live in.
We don't hunt anything, but we just look at them.
This week we'll be focusing on turtles. Right there. There's a giant snapping turtle outside. Oh my god. Look at him. The luscious shell.
Giant snapper turtle.
Print me out a picture.
Giant snapper turtle. Okay.
We're on the hunt for the elusive red-eared slider. Or tadpole. Or tadpole, frog, or something. If it was a frog, I'd totally name it Comet. Oh, I saw a frog. It's Comet. I named it Comet. I'm turning into the frog right there. See, look. You see it? Look, it's weird looking.
What do you see?
I see like a giant frog. It's almost like a Goliath frog. This looks like one. Beautiful. Look at this. It's not even going away. Our camera guy saw a turtle's head poke up, then poke down. We are making lots of progress. Oh, we had another attempt to look for the red-eared slider, but we found a painted turtle instead, and here he is in our house. His name is Crushy. You see Crushy? He's beautiful. What's up? He's beautiful. And that's our painted turtle.
Zombie, look at the zombie eye. Zombie dog. Ah! 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 Oh my god, she sees me!
Me. Generals gathered in their masses.
Get out of the way.
Just like witches at black masses.
Get out the way, bitch. Get out of the way.
Evil minds that plot destruction.
Get out of the way.
Sorcerer of death's construction.
Get out the way, bitch. Get out of the way.
In the fields of bodies burning.
Get out the way.
The war machine keeps turning.
Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
Death and hatred to mankind.
Get out the way.
Poisoning their brainwashed minds.
Okay, action.
Okay, we got a painted turtle, but you know how we said we got the we were gonna get the lucid red-eared slider? We didn't because the camera dude, he messed up. He thought we were gonna get red-eared slider, but it's painted turtles. Wanna see them over here? And over here.
Okay.
See you next week on